Caribbean, yeah. All the Jamaican friends. All the young man friends. All the West Indian. All the Swedish. Stockholm Reggae Club. Everybody. Superman. What do you do? Simple, I tell you for all you. You think it's a walkover?
No, I never heard that sound so nice.
To all the ladies.
They like Trinity sound.
Whole night. Whole night they don't play nothing for the ladies them. Yeah, we tell them again. To the ladies them. And true to the ladies them. We love ladies them, boy and them. You know what they love?
Say I feel good.
What you need to do?
Trinity a killer sound.
What we do?
Feel good, feel good.
Globen!
Alright. Right, I know this is a serious time. Violence and crime and Trinity a killer
don't take up what you cannot manage. Trinity is too heavy for you. Hey!
Trinity. Alright.
Everybody free up, free up, free up.
I know this is a serious time. Violence and crime and Trinity a killer son boy every time. If you want your sound that just call for
what we got to do?
Trinity we playing. Want your sound that just call for it. Sound boys crying.
Yeah. Yeah, we tell them again.
Yeah. Kill them soul, yeah. Trinity, I kill them soul, yeah.
Everybody who love Africa.
Idiot soul,
you think it's a walkover?
yeah. We kill them
listen
soul,
to the
yeah. Trinity, I kill them soul, yeah. Yes, we are gonna kill them
Daniel,
soul,
what we got to do?
yeah. Them little jump on.
Everybody want the African fans there. On the Swedish.
Ain't that the boss there? Even when the road get hard.
What we tell them? Listen to it.
You want good, you know it's off your road.
Hey.
Success, good noise. If the road never up, Trinity never give up. Myself never give up.
No way. I'm clash how we other things. We are the not for ruler, no fooler. Just come a school there.
You know we not say, but you don't know we care. So we tell some say, go on home, just go on home. Do what you get to in a trouble, jump and some better go on home, go on home. A mind shot broke your bone.
Bumbo class. Selassie I Rastafari. Jump! Yeah, you come from paradise.
Reload!
Yeah, we tell them.
Reload! Where's the Trinity?
Yeah, what some of the song and them doing? Yeah, what they doing?
Some from how long rather play through the morning and fuck up session. But some little pussy all them want mash up with plans. So we decide to kill them in a
how fool them boy about them coming a bad man sound clash.
Trinity
sound
Trinity
kill boy.
jump
on sound say they think we no see we no now fi say no more. Trinity I go
hey.
Rolling slow. And we no take check but we make. We take it my lungs like a cancer. Come on the Trinity sound. Bossa Blanca. Pussy. Can I hear me say uno fi Bossa Blanca? Can I hear me say uno fi Bossa Blanca? Can I hear me say uno fi Bossa Blanca?
Big belly song.
DJ Flash Killer, straight Bossa Blanc. You know turn like you can, Bossa Blanc. You know living on the stream, Bossa Blanc. Bossa Blanc, you know the scheme, Bossa Blanc. Flash no make more things, Bossa Blanc. You know like when me a sing something wrong. Cause from a young, every night go fi one. You whole globe, no one so flash them can we know we are more close.
See them a DJ Flash, none tall of blood clot, don't tall see them at the boss, they see them fabulous. Book up, proper, you know we side
yeah. When I say king, you say arena. King Selassie. Yeah. Sin Trinity sound, make some noise. Remember, this round is the elimination round, the first elimination round. So after this round is where we're decide which sound I got drop out first. You see me? So listen keenly. All who know reggae music, all who know clash thing, listen. You understand? The next sound up, Topaz, make some noise. Squeeze. All right, okay. First, just protect post Svenska. Okay. For you can protect Svenska also.
Not because you see me like here. I'm actually half Swedish and half English. Yeah, not English, Jamaican actually. All right. Look at you now, good vibes. How long you been listening to reggae, my girl? How long? No. You say? Yeah, how long? Yeah. 10 years. Wow. Which club you go to? Which club? I want to know if she's telling the truth because me, I've been living here for like 20 years, so I can't tell her what I want. Which club you used to go to? Yeah, which club? Oh, you party home. Oh, she party home. All right. You party home. At home. Okay. So she listens to the internet and everything. All right. Listen now. All right. This is Topaz Sound. And a long time Topaz Sound been bringing reggae music all over the globe. You understand? I mean, we play all over the place. You understand? Jamaica, England, you understand? France, Germany, everywhere. If anybody know about Topaz, you understand? Right now, this is all about, it's all about who come up here and jump up. Anybody who win the clash will have a responsibility. You understand? Will have a responsibility to represent Sweden. You understand? Because, listen, now. Du måste, om du vill lära någonting, lyssna. Om du vill lära, du måste lyssna. Du måste lyssna. Det är så. Yeah, you must listen. Yeah, for real. You have to listen, you understand? So you must know. See, Sweden, Jamaica, two link up. Reggae music, sound clash, you understand? So right now, that's what we're doing. We're representing reggae music in Sweden, you understand, with the Jamaican vibes. You understand? That's what you see. Look, I'll be a Topaz. Yo, Sickenhead, come here, Sickenhead. Come here, Sickenhead, come here. Come show me a Ganzi. Show me a Ganzi. See it? Topaz, you understand? So we have enough representative, you understand? Because we're representing Jamaica. You understand? So listen to that tune that we're going to play now. It's Buccaneer representing from Jamaica to Sweden. Listen.
We murder, we kill, any jump on.
From Jamaica to
don't
Sweden.
Try to test this a killing sound machine. And the sound test to pass them I get murder.
Listen.
If you're this Sweden bad man, then you get murder.
Rigo,
20, mad, sick. Well done, no, about can you represent for Topaz Sound. You understand me, David? Yeah.
Listen again.
Roger, Cribs, Babak, you done. Big up, Stockholm, Sweden. And this is a
Sweden
special.
will represent, listen.
Yeah, you don't know. Yo, Topaz Sound. Topaz original #1 sound. We murder, we kill out any jump on. So don't try to test this a killing sound machine. And the sound test Topaz, them I get murder. If you're this Sweden bad man, then you get murder.
Represent Stockholm, Sweden.
Topaz, you play bright like yellow. Carry all your soul, and that make me say so. Long time you hold it out, now you're not gonna go. I just so we go. So you no matter what come a dance song pose.
That's right.
Cut tie, you not push them nose up.
Big up Trinity.
And not push them.
They play good.
We get a little bus, but
good traveling.
Must follow them.
Big up StereoSteppa doing good still.
Topaz sound, not bad sound from way.
Big up the radio sound, Safari. They play kind of good still. Anyways.
No way. Topaz no fade away. We're not gonna fade away. So boy, you fade away. But Topaz.
Them say we are old dinosaur. Them blood clot mad.
Topaz this. Hey. Whoa.
Oh. You don't want ya.
Topaz sound I go
kill ya.
Hey. Don't be jacket well fit yo. Soundboard.
Listen.
Now trouble take your Lord of God. Pick me shut it I go fit yo. Come on day. Now Topaz sound hold you. Don't be jacket well fit yo.
All right then. All right.
It's all about the vibe. This is a sound clash. This is not no regular party. You know what I'm saying? Listen this tune. This is how you play tune in sound clash. Ready
Bonnie
again?
General make some boy catch heart attack. Them shot them an idiot. That's why we kill them.
I Topaz with name.
Murder. Same thing with you.
Roger. Chris.
What a he bang bang bayay. What a he bang bang bayay. What a he bang bang bayay. He bang bang bayay. He'll jump on and I don't care when. Big bad sound and we not beg friend. No. Tell them Topaz better than them. Kill sound already, we are gonna do it again. What a he bang bang bayay. What a he bang bang bayay.
Topaz. He bang bang bayay.
Son boy are dead, so them not in a good mood. We clot it, humble it, and take them out them shoes. And go read about them in excuse. Them can't play with them, life can stop.
Our clash we come.
So
we not come to no dance.
A sound boy wanna custom.
Yo,
come out to the dance with your custom.
Yo, Sammy K, pussy. Listen this tune.
Come out to the dance with your sing pan. Topaz kill that. Oh yeah.
We don't no cuss.
You cuss in the morning, you cuss in the evening, you cuss at night time too.
It seems you can't keep the pussy out of your mouth, Sammy K.
Come out to the dance with your old pan, and we don't want it.
Hey.
Run it. Kill them Topaz.
All of the big tunes, veteran tunes, foundation tunes.
Coming from the north with my face to the south. I'm sure Topaz can murder any sound. Them a the gargan. In a this dance, him a the gargan. Yeah, him a the number one.
A Topaz veteran number one blood clot sound.
Yeah,
on it. Look for them a early piece.
All remember Sugar Miners.
The dance get locked.
Dead and gone but not forgotten.
Gonna get
a Topaz sound, let's go.
Dance all we day.
Yeah.
Alright. We just a kiss around it.
Yeah.
Dance all we day. Topaz just a kill around it. When we say see they. Topaz him just a kill them. Topaz sound.
You know.
Them. Alright.
Big sounds play, right? These are big sound class, but from night I haven't heard any combinations. You don't know. As I told you, if you want to play Johnny Osborne, you can't compete with we. This is a big combination. This is what the house DJ named Pompidou alongside Johnny Osborne playing Crips. Let's go!
Welcome. Johnny Osborne the dancer, Godfather.
And the combination Pompidou alongside Johnny Osborne.
Roger.
They can't play like we. Hey.
None of them can kill Topaz.
No.
None of them can test we. Don't you get that? None of them no sound like Topaz. None of them no sound like we. Don't you get that? None of them can kill Topaz.
None of them.
None of them no rough like we. Not the zinc pan. None of them no sound like.
All who know the veteran DJ Pompidou. Hey. Hold that tune again. When I say toe, you say pass. Toe. Play it again. Let's go. I said from night I haven't heard any combination. Hey, remember we don't forget the veteran DJs and veteran artists.
Tell it right now.
Pompidou, Stone Rock voice, synthesizer voice alongside Johnny Osborne. Play Osborne.
Welcome. A Johnny dancer, Godfather, and the Topaz sound. We got my like Rigo, Roger, Michael, Rinky B. I'm say, none of them can kill Topaz.
None of them
can test we.
Don't you get that?
None of them no sound like Topaz. None of them no sound like we. Don't you get that? None of them can.
I heard Sammy K mention our name.
None of them no rough.
And you know, all they know, they've been studying me. They know everything about me. I don't fall in a bumbleclad man. Synthesizer. Yo, Sammy K, I don't want to hear no fucking other word from you, man. Ready again, play the Bill Bounty.
Motherfucking niggas, you know, don't rank with me. Talk to them Stockholm. Motherfucking niggas, you know, Sweden, yo.
I said I don't want to hear no more word from Sammy K. So far, right?
Motherfucking niggas, you know, stay back.
Listen.
Not another word, we not gonna further. Cut Topaz, no talk. You fi get murder. And...
I